Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2019 Toyota Corolla SE model. Get that nice sport edition with those beautiful sport wheels, tinted windows on this one. This example is a 2-owner, no reported accident, auto check certified vehicle. Comes with keyless entry. It's literally the same Corolla since 2003. Nothing really has changed much. Just a lot prettier, more aggressive package. I mean, look at that front grille. That's just big statement there on the front grille. But this is the same 1.8 dual VVTI, now running on 020 oil, that they've had forever. Excellent motor. First appeared most similar with this engine cover in 2009. So if you want to say same one since 2009, about that time frame on it. But as you can see, this beautiful new front grille, this more aggressive style, this nice pinched front end, and along here these are daytime running lights, so these are LED, has those LED headlights. I mean, these are like laser almost. They can really go a long distance for how bright they do shine. As far as tires go, we got Blackhawk tires. Looks like they got plenty of life left, so no need to do that for a while. And then we have actually the original owner's manual in here. Just a bunch of receipts and stuff, but clean dashboard. Got this almost leather kind of look to the dash, and I mean, this is actually, it's a squishy material, so you got this vinyl leather with this nice blue stitch. They do the blue across everything in here, so it's really nice, calming interior. And you got illuminated vanity mirrors, map lighting, and then this is for radar cruise, touchscreen stereo, rear backup camera, automatic AC, auxiliary USB connectivity, automatic transmission with optional sport shift. We got the sport mode button, and then you can see the blue piping along the seats, the keyless entry, dual cup holders, and then a small center console armrest. I mean, it's pretty much the same formula that they've used forever in the Corolla. I mean, it's just enough tech to keep it relevant, and then you buy these for the reliability, you buy these for the fuel economy. I mean, it's unbelievable what they can pull out of these vehicles now. And I mean, this is a car that you can buy and drive for the next 30 years problem free. No dings, dents, scratches down the side. The back and looks real good, and comes with the spare tire, tools, and jacks. Super clean, all Florida, no rust. With the rear backup camera, 4-wheel disc brakes. That's a nice feature to have on the Corolla, because a lot of them came with rear drum brakes, so now 4-wheel disc is great. Automatic for the driver's side window, up and down, and then you got your power windows, locks, and mirrors throughout. And then power side view mirrors and interior illumination is on the dashboard. Automatic front headlights, as you can see the nice paddle shifters there for the Sport Edition model. Interval front headlights, leather wrapped steering wheel, perfect logo, voice command, Bluetooth stereo. And then we get our menu options here for our animated screens and the odometer, and then we got our adaptive cruise control right here, that dynamic radar cruise, and then you got the lane keep assist. So all the latest tech features there. You have heated side view mirrors as well. So it's got front collision warning. Got the animated Corolla logo. And then it brings up 109,000 original 2-owner miles, no reported accidents. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly, and then you can scroll through the sub-menus. And that includes the lane departure assist, the collision warning, eco indicator, how much range, and then these will light up if you're departing the lane too. But nice, no warning lights there. Rear backup camera works flawlessly, and as you can see, you can scroll through all these nice sub menus here. Tells you some vehicle customizations there, but does your Bluetooth and audio all through here, and then it even comes with a CD player still, so still have that rocking. And then that automatic AC is a great feature. Love fine-tuning that. And then sport mode button will illuminate up here, give you that little red light, and just enhances throttle response. So then for the windshield, we got to replace windshield crack and chip free. Everything's properly working. Stereo sounds excellent. I mean, the Corolla gets better and better. Even though it's the same exact car, it gets better looking, even more reliable. There's nothing you can say bad about a Toyota Corolla. It is the ultimate used car, the ultimate reliable car. So if you want a no maintenance, just change the oil kind of car, this is it. Looks beautiful. Look at that package. No accidents, only 2 previous owners, practically new. Come down and see us where we got this beautiful 2019 Corolla SE offered at a great price. You can find this one exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.